Hey everybody, this is Dr. Jody Stanislaw, and I help patients who are struggling with type 1 diabetes get better flat lines for their blood sugar levels. Today I'm coming to you with some more positivity and inspiration to keep our minds and bodies healthy during these interesting times. I've been coming to you live every day, I don't know, for a couple weeks now, and I'm really enjoying all the feedback I'm receiving. Please, if you have any questions or comments, just post them in the thread below. But today I want to cover 3 things that you can do to keep your mindset positive. It's so important. I actually covered this yesterday, but it was such a great topic that I'm going to cover it again today. Because when we are sitting at home, if we just sit in the rocking chair of fear, I always say fear is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't take you anywhere. So let's stay positive. We can do this, okay? There's 3 steps that I'm going to share today that can help keep your mindset in a positive state. And that's so important. So just to give you some feedback on who am I, why are you watching this video? I've had type 1 diabetes for 40 years, and I've dedicated my practice to helping patients with type 1 diabetes. So I work virtually. I can even work with you. If you want to work with me, you can just go to my website. I'll give you that in a little bit. So what can we do to stay positive? Number 1 is to let's stay focused on all the things that are still good in the world. Hopefully you have fresh air, right? Did you have a good sleep last night? Do you have a warm bed? Did you have breakfast this morning? Do you have water? Do you have plumbing? Can you flush a toilet? Do you have legs, eyes that can see, ears that can hear? You can understand English. You can read English. There's so many things that are positive in today's world, and we can stay lighter and thus keep our immune system stronger when we really keep our focus on all the good that's still happening. To just wrap yourself into the fear that's on the news and that's going around is not good for anybody. How fearful and depressed anybody is right now is not helping anybody. We can be positive, and we need people to stay positive. So don't feel guilty if you're in a good mood. I've heard some people say that. So we really, write a gratitude list. Keep a notepad by your bed and write a gratitude list when you wake up or when you go to bed. I have a gratitude list for my Dex that's beeping at me right now. I'm 140. I am going to go for a little bike ride after I finish this because I like to be closer to 80 to 120. So my breakfast is still pushing me up a little bit, and I'm grateful for my Dex. I'm grateful that I have insulin. I'm grateful that I have needles that I can administer my insulin. I'm grateful that I have a bike that I can go on a bike ride. I'm grateful that I can go outside because it's warm. So think of the things, what are you grateful for? And really make this a daily practice right now, because if we only focus on the fear and the negativity, it is suppressive to the immune system. It doesn't help anybody, and it puts you more at risk, actually, of just not having a healthy body when we're negative and scared. So really, I inspire you to be positive right now, or at least focus on what is good in your life, because there's still a lot of good going on. Okay, that's step number 1. Number 2 is I'm going to the store today with my mask and my hand sanitizer because I want to buy some greeting cards. Let's write love notes to our friends and family. Isn't this a great time? Get some stamps, get some cards. I shouldn't even have to go to the store, right? We can just use a good old paper and pen. But it's such a great time, right? To bring back that old-fashioned, beautiful tradition of writing notes, writing love notes, appreciation notes. If you're not that motivated to write something, then just how about some loving texts and loving phone calls, right? Use this time to reach out and share your love with the ones that mean the most to you. It's such an important thing to do, which frankly I try to do all the time, but especially now. So it's wonderful. I generally talk to my dad. At times it was once every few months. Sometimes it was once a month. Lately it's been every day, and it's been so fun to be reconnected with my dad at this level. So who would you like to reconnect with? Reach out to them after you finish watching this video. So that's step number 2 to keeping your mindset strong. And step number 3 is to slow down. You can take a deep breath with me right now. You can call it meditation. But it's really nice to take advantage of this time to slow down. I certainly know I needed it. So can you take 3 minutes, set your timer on your phone, and just close your eyes, take some deep breaths. Take one with me right now. The more relaxed and positive we are, the stronger the immune system. So these are, so many people ask me, what supplements should I take, right? What supplement should I take to keep my immune system strong? But I want to remind you that staying positive mentally, staying relaxed, going on a walk, getting good sleep, these are the most powerful immune boosters that we have. So that is my video for today. But how are your blood sugar levels? That's the one question I'm going to ask before I leave today, because that is what I can help you do. Having strong blood sugar levels, have healthy blood sugar levels, is the strongest thing, the most important thing right now to stay healthy as well. When they say people with diabetes are more at risk, it's people with diabetes who have out of control blood sugar levels, okay? So let's make sure that you are doing what you need to do right now to get some extra help. There's great books out there, but I do telemedicine. I could have a call with you. I just had a call with somebody who saw my video yesterday and helped her this morning, which was wonderful. So now is the time. Please reach out for help to get good blood sugar levels. And that means an A1C below 7. And some reports even say below 6.5, which 80 to 90% of type 1s do not have. So don't feel bad if you don't have that. It just means you don't have the education and support and motivation that you need to get there. And that's exactly what I do. I help patients all over the world lower their blood sugar levels. So you just can find me if you just Google the words Dr. Jody Stanislaw. Well, you don't need my last name. Never mind. Dr. Jody Diabetes. And my website comes up. Okay. But my website, if you want me to spell it for you, is DrJodyN as in naturopathic, D as in doctor.com. You can click on Let's Chat. If you want to have a chat with me, it's that easy. You click on Let's Chat and we'll have a free call to see if I can help you. And that's truly what I've dedicated my career to doing. I've had diabetes for 40 years, and I know a lot of people out there are frustrated with their care because you try to do what they say and it doesn't work. And I found that's because so many people aren't given the full breadth of education that's needed to really get good blood sugar levels. So reach out to me. I will help you. Now is a great time. If you're sitting at home like I am, let's work together. So just visit drjodynd.com or just Google Dr. Jody Diabetes and I come up. And I'm going live every day. So post a question or comment in the thread below. If I see it today, then I will answer it tomorrow. Okay? Have a great day. Be healthy. Reach out to improve your blood sugar levels. Now is the time. Okay, wait. Oh, I just saw some comments here. Let's see. Erica. Hi, Erica. Wow. Okay. Fiona calling. Let's see. Someone's calling. Hannah. Hi, Hannah. Kim is watching. Debbie's watching. Karen, hi Jody, what are your levels as the UK system? We need to be between 4 and 7. So yes, just times those by 18. So 4 times 18 is what, about a little bit below 80, right? So that's what, so 80 to 120 is as tight as anybody would ever want to focus on. That's pretty much the level of non-diabetics. So to figure out the UK system, you would take 120 and divide by 18. So obviously that would be like 6 something, like 7 is the right window. So kudos to you if that's your window. Hi Leanne, hi Alan. Okay, great video today. I hope you got good information out of it. Stay positive, write a gratitude list, write a love letter, and take some deep breaths and enjoy relaxing. Those 3 things will boost your immune system. And lastly, if your blood sugar levels are out of control, go to my website and reach out to me and let's have a chat. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye for now.